Warning. Viewer discretion is advised. No flies were harmed in the making of this film. Fly lives matter.
You ever been flicking the wrists? Just cooking up some bomb-ass food. Got it all finished and it's smelling real good. Meat is well done, like it's supposed to be. Plates are ready, so you sit down to enjoy the feast. And that's when you see it. Out of all the food sources in the world, and this greedy asshole wants yours, he's going to eat his fill and then watch as his own shit pours. Vile creatures they are, always rubbing their hands like Birdman, reminiscing about good times, like rummaging in a garbage can. Look at them collecting filth to rub on your food. That ends today. I'm going to teach you how to send this little nigger to the shadow realm. Look at him plotting, little does he know, it all ends here. First we must wait for the imbecile to land. Once he's landed, you must load up your thump.
What?
Move as slowly as possible. Carefully get your thumping fingertip half an inch away from the fly's position. This will place the target in the middle of the thump's trajectory.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Round 2, fight. What does the scouter say about his power level? It's over 9,000.
You underestimate my power. Don't try it.
Flawless victory.
Now this may have looked like a joke film, but it is a real tutorial. If you move slow enough, you too can send flies to oblivion and beyond. And remember, fly lives matter. Just kidding. Fuck them flies.